right, so this is the level I'm going to hit my eval on, but it's not going to hit my funded right here. I'll hit my funded up here because I think they go for the data highs, but if they fall short, at least I got something. So, because I don't care if this eval blows, I just want my funded to get up here. I want the price action to get up here so I can get my funded in. But if they fall short, then at least I have something. You passed your first take profit eval today. Nice, great job, Carson. Great job. You see, sometimes it doesn't get to your target, right? Sometimes it doesn't get to your target. And so your eval, it gets some love. So sometimes that's why we do first, second, and third entries, right? Because it doesn't, not every time it gets to your entry. Now, 1,200 bucks, right? Nice. 1,200 bucks, but I couldn't take my funded account with that trade because I was expecting that they're going to rip it all the way up here into the data highs. But I got my eval in, right? So sometimes that's why you need first, second, third entry. I can't take my funded up there, but I at least got my eval, got some love there. So I'm of the opinion that we probably marked a short-term bottom. Probably. I could be totally wrong. Okay? So right now in the 5-minute, if we hold about 400, which is still 300 points. Yesterday's end of day, what do you call it, sell, was around 400 level. So if we can hold above that 400 level on the overall time frame, I think we're good for the market to keep pushing higher. Now, this is still 400 points. This is still 300 points lower. So right now, they're doing a little dance to the downside, right? They're going to print it really bearish, right? Maybe even break data lows here, break data lows here. And, you know, that was yesterday's highs. And they defended yesterday's highs on that line so far. Nice. Nice. Oh, this account's passed. 800 over. Nice. Nice. So, guys, on evals, I can go in, I can add, but on funded, I have to wait for my entries a little bit more. But if you learn how to trade it, then you can use your evals there to, you know, pass some accounts. And so when your accounts, your funded get blown, like for example, yesterday I got my Bonox. I'm expecting a pop up to around 20,300, 20,500, about 800, 900 points higher. And then they start selling again. Because I think we are in a bear market, especially with the tariffs and all that kind of stuff. We're probably going to have some kind of 2022 action. We'll see. So if they go to the data lows here and sweep, I'll go in one of my funded and try to do a bounce there. But right now, I'm still doing my eval. From here, 780 down. This is 150 points, guys, by the way, if you don't realize. We got so spoiled with this volatility. Like, this here is 150 points almost. Huge volatility. I mean, some of you are like, yo, bro, why don't you short it? Well, I mean, I banked on the long, 1600. This here is 670 to 730. This is 60 points. I normally bank 15, 20, 10, 15, 20 points. So if you know how to buy, dip, sell, rips, rotate your accounts, manage your risk, yes, you'll blow some accounts along the way. But if you have levels and you know how to lock in profits and you're content, then you're good to go. You don't need to buy market data and take profit. But if you want, you can do whatever you want, right? So, nice. 2 contracts, 1,100. Just buying dips, selling rips, guys. Buying dips, selling rips, buying dips, selling rips. Anybody took that long with me? Anybody dipped that? Put dip. You bounced 50K eval. Nice. Great job, man. Andre did. Gabriel did. Nice. Text token, Ahmed. Aman, Palm Tree, Adia. Nice. Look at that. Probably some kind of news. Wow, what a bad fill. They gave me a bad fill, man.
Order submitted.
Wow, look at that. I'm gonna get out. Now they long me again here. Probably some kind of news. Probably some kind of news. Sell this here, 600 bucks. Nice. Rotate. Sometimes you have no time to figure out what's going on. You just have to rotate, hit those accounts.
Order submit. Order filled.
Nice.
Order submitted.
Go, man. Drop that. Drop that sucker. Not yet, huh? I gotta lock in.
Order submitted.
If they whip again, the trailing is gonna kill this account. No. Take it. Take it. There you go. Take the last one. Take the last one. Take the last one, man. Do it. Pass this account. Come on, man. Drop that thing. Nice. Pass another one. Doesn't have to bounce here, guys. They can sweep it. If they sweep it, I'm gonna get my funded involved. They get into this 540 line, I'm gonna get my funded because that's the 38.2 line. 38.2 fib line right there. On straight down, no pop, I'm gonna hit my funded right around this area. Around this 540, 550 area. If it goes straight down, boom, one more hard pop down, I'll probably put in my funded there. Right now they retested the data lows. Sell.
Submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Nice.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Right, and now $1,000, 3 contracts. I think they go lower. That's why I'm selling. Nice, locked in 1,000. It's a good 20 points. You gotta lock it in. You gotta be content. You gotta be content. How many of you used the red photo strategy and passed some evals this morning? Put pass if you did. I know some of you did. Some of you says huge slippage entry like 40 points, but you passed it. It's a gift. For some of you made a lot of money with consistency rule. Traded course CPI this morning on RTY for 800. Thanks for the course FSP. It was worth every penny. There you go. Has 2 300Ks and 2 50Ks. Screen my Apex and Trade 5 funded. Happy Wednesday, everyone. Great job. If you go to my course inside, you'll understand how I execute. Like in module 3.1, if you have my course, I show you how I line up all my windows below. So when I just execute, it's really, really fast. You know, if I have to go and look at this drop down and select the account and all that, it'll take very, 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 very long. I buy dip, sell rips, lock 10, 15, 20 points. I already locked 1. That's right, Nikos. Okay, so I mean, we got 1,000 people. Literally every single one of you hit that like, and then we can do the draw for the 50K. That just put me in tilt territory. I just hit 4 contracts, which I didn't expect to. Even though I'm winning right now in the trade, I did that on tilt, which was bad.
Order filled. Order
All right,
filled.
960, but I got rewarded on a tilt trade. Just chop it up and down. And if you size down, it'll probably be better for you. The 5 minute now, they're printing like it's bullish again. So they're doing these little whipsaws, right? Little wicks, make it look like it goes up. Do they reject again? You know? Up, down, up, down, up, down. Make it like it's bullish. Make it look like it's bullish. And then drop it. Once they drop it, prints it like it's bearish, and then they rip it back up. This is the market. This is the market right now. This is what they're doing. Okay? Print it like it's bearish, and then rips it up. Rips it up, prints it like it's bullish, and they dive it down. So if you don't size down, you're going to get hurt real bad. Okay? You can get hurt real bad. And you have to rotate your accounts. You got to rotate your accounts. Especially if you copy trade today, you'll find out why you shouldn't copy trade today. Because you'll blow more accounts. You'll blow more accounts. So for all they're doing is whipping in this CPI range. All they're doing. They didn't do anything other than whipping in this CPI range. Now, I'm of the opinion if they keep on holding, eventually they break up to the upside and they'll have a huge green data nobody believes, and we have a huge squeeze. Because I think right now this action, they look a little weak, but overall, I do want to market a pump because I got more long dated calls. But if you are a bear and you want to, you know, have your puts paid, then yeah, I mean, you wanted to just keep dropping. So lock it in. But if they printed bullish before, now they printed bearish again. They first printed bullish, then they printed bearish, then they printed bullish again. The 5 minute before, like just this candle up here, it looked bullish. And now they printed like bearish again. And then you shorten the hole and they rip it up here. You see, they're going to whip today, guys. They're going to whip, okay?
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
All right, so this account's passed. Nice. There it is. Come on, lower, lower, come lower. Don't bounce yet, man. Don't you bounce yet. There we go. Now we talking. Going to this 540 level. Into the fib area. Putting on risk here. I'm gonna rotate. If it doesn't work, if it starts cracking below 500, I wouldn't like it as much. See what they do here.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
All right, locked in my funded there. Only $100, but I actually don't like this level here. I want a little bit bigger pop. Let's sell one here.
Order filled.
I sold one here because I don't like this bounce here. I think it goes a little lower, so I may say $700 on here. Nice. From here, I was looking for a move like this and it didn't happen. This whole time chopped up that account. And if I didn't collect myself and hold and just be quiet, and if this move didn't happen and it blew, I probably would have stopped there too. So it worked this time. How are you guys doing today, by the way? I mean, great day today. Lots of green accounts. Are you guys green so far? Are you red, or how are you guys doing right now? Are you green, or are you red? What are you guys? If you're green, put green. If you're red, put red. Let's see. Jamie green, Tom red, green, some green. A lot of green actually. Positive 13K today. Nice, Billy. Some red. Lots of you green. Michael says though, big time green. I mean, it's great, man. We're banking. We're banking. Quickly scroll through the P&L here. Right? You guys banking here. Liquid Pharaoh. Yay Buddy. Chameleon. $1,000. Nice. You can do reactions though. You can do a reaction like this. Great job, Kimberly. Okay. Great morning. Lots of green across first, second, and third entries with only a handful of red. Thanks, FSP. Great job, Michael Sisto. Michael Sisto, one of our mods. Killing it, huh? Good morning. The second withdrawal of $3,000 tuition. First payout ever. 1.5 years trading. Thank you, God. And FSP, I'm blessed. Good job. That's why inside my course, fspfutures.com, I show you how I arrange my accounts in module 3. But once you get the course, if you want, you go to fspfutures.com. Once in, under module 3.1, I show you how I set up my NinjaTrader so that it's all lined up at the bottom here. Like, you literally have no time to go flip different drop downs, which account it is. You have to have all your accounts lined up like this so that when it's time to click, you just click the buy. And this is actually a really important thing that a lot of people don't understand about rotation. You got to line them up all up in advance like this. As far as I know, I'm the only one who started this and you guys are doing it. I think I'm the one who pioneered this in terms of, I mean, rotation people have done in the past and some of them they full port it, whatever. But in terms of people teaching and talking about lining up your accounts, all with windows ready like this, as far as I know, I'm the only one who started this. Guys, if you enjoy the community, if you like trading together, please go ahead and like the stream.